Welcome to this new tutorial. In the previous videos we talked about the basic functions that you can do the tables such as filters, search, and basic sorting. In this tutorial I will show you how to customize your table more with the Action button. By pressing on the Action button, a drop-down menu will reveal all the options that you can use. But in this video, we will focus on columns, filter, report, download, subscription. Starting with columns. You can move columns right or left, delete unwanted columns, or add new column to the table. Start by pressing on Actions, then Columns. A small pop-out will be shown. From here you can edit the columns. As you can see, there is two sections. Columns that are not displayed, and columns that are displayed in the table. You can move the columns to change its order in the table by selecting the wanted column, then, press the arrows on the right side to move the column. Moving it up means it's moving left in the table and moving down means it's moving right in the table. For example, let's move the unit column between quantity and unit net price. First select the column, next press the up arrow until you have placed it in the wanted spot and press Apply. As you can see, the unit column moved to the wanted position. You can also remove the column by pressing on the Remove button, which is the arrow pointing to the left. Or you can add a new column to the report by pressing the arrow pointing to the right. You can press the Reset button to return to the original arrangement. Double arrow to move all the columns at once. Moving to filter. Filtering could be done by column or by row. Let's see how to create filters. First step is to press on Action button to open the menu, then press on Filter. A pop-out will be shown to set the filter as you need. As you can see, there is two tabs in this window, one for filtering by columns and the other one for filtering by rows. Starting with columns. Select the column you want it to be filtered by pressing on the drop-down menu. Then, select the wanted column. Then select the operator or the function from the drop-down menu. Next, choose or type the expression that will be filtered based on. For example, I will choose the column called Vendor Name. Next, I will choose the Not Equal operator. This operator will show everything except the chosen expression. Finally, I will choose the expression from the menu. Click Apply to see the results. As you can see, it filtered the table as we wanted. You can also filter the table by row. To do that, press on Actions, Filter, and after that press on Row. In the first field you will type the name of your custom filter. Next step is to make the filter. There is so many functions you can use to make the filter and you can make it very complex, but for the sake of the video I will create a simple one. I will choose from the column list, ED, which is the subtotal column. Then, I will choose the bigger than operator. Finally, I will state my condition, which is 100. That means, it will show me every subtotal which is more than 100 AED. Hit Apply. You will see the table changed according to the filter. After you have applied all the changes to your table, you can save the report and every time you visit this report, it will be shown as you modified it. To save the report, press on Actions, then Report. Then press on Save Report. Type the name of report and the description if there is any. You can set it as public and other users can view your report. When you are done, press Apply to save. You can view the original report by choosing the default view. You can delete the saved report by pressing the X button beside the label. To download the current report, press on Actions. Then, Download. You can download the report in 4 formats: CSV, HTML, Excel, and PDF. Choose the wanted format then press Download. You can send the report directly to your email. To do that, toggle the switch under send as email. Then fill your information and press send. In case you need this report to be sent to your email on daily, weekly, or even monthly basis, you can subscribe to this specific report. To do that, press on Actions. Then press on Subscription. Choose the wanted report format. Then, type your email and subject for the email. Choose if you want it daily, weekly, or monthly. Choose the starting date and ending date. Click on Apply. Now you are subscribed to this report. Now you know some of the advanced options you can do for a table. In the upcoming videos, we will continue talking about the rest of the actions such as making charts, grouping, formatting, and many more. Thank you and have a nice day.